the valuation is required? When who does this valuation? Why you require to do a lot of valuation in the market? So to in addition to estimate the selling price of a business, the valuations are required in many contexts. So you can see when you know the valuation methods, how to do it, you can apply these valuation models in various other fields as well. Along with buying and selling a stock, you can also use these valuation models in raising capital for a nascent venture. Okay, so if a company or if a startup company, okay, or a new company wants to raise the capital, okay, they can raise it through doing the valuation. They will fix up the prices and accordingly they will raise the capital. So to raising a capital for the startups, okay, they require to do a lot of valuation techniques, which we are going to learn. It is also used for initial public offering. So whenever the company has to come to the market for listing, okay, they have to do the valuation, they have to come up with a price band, okay, at what price the shares should be sold in the market. Okay, so that price has to be fixed through valuation. So a lot of merchant banking firms do this type of fixing of a price band for the IPO shares. Okay, so how it derives? It derives through valuation methods. Then PSU disinvestment, public sector undertaking, okay, where the shareholders are President of India. Okay, if a President of India wants to sell a stake in a particular company, okay, that means a disinvestment in that company. Okay, so how we will sell that particular stake? At what price he will sell that particular stake? So for that, he requires to do a valuation. So for PSU disinvestment also, the valuation is required to be done because they are selling a stake in that particular company. Okay, for investment analysis, that's what we are here for. Anything which we want to buy or sell a particular security, okay, we have to do the valuation part. Then capital budgeting for the corporates. If there is any upcoming project, okay, they have to do the cost benefit analysis through capital budgeting methods. For that also you require to do the valuation, use the valuation methods. For mergers and acquisition transactions, okay, for a company who is taking over the another company, so at what price a company should take over the another company, or the two companies are getting merged, so at what ratios they will should get merged to, the share ratio, what should be that ratio? For that also you require to do the valuation. For reporting, financial reporting, if there is no fair market value available in the market, okay, the value is not available in the market, so at what rate the reporting has to be done? So it has to be done at the fair value, right? And this fair value have to be arrived through valuation methods. Or for litigation or legal and tax purposes. So for tax purposes, if there is any slum sale, okay, which has been done by a company, of a particular company, okay, or a particular sector or branch of that company, if they want to sell a particular assets, okay, so at what value they should be selling that, and what should be reported in the tax for calculation of tax. So for that also valuation is required. So valuation is required in multiple fields, okay, and you can apply the same methods in this particular field, and therefore these valuations are required for so many different purposes.